In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and request email log files using the Dream Efficiency platform. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to locate the quick settings from your homepage. Think of this as your control center, where you'll find a multitude of options to tailor your experience. Spotting and clicking this will open up the Advanced Setup menu. It's like peeking behind the curtain to access more detailed settings, perfect for the task at hand. Once inside, direct your attention to the Quick Find search bar. This feature is like having a helpful assistant by your side, allowing you to swiftly locate specific settings or functionalities. In our case, you'll type in email log files into this search bar. This will streamline the process and lead you directly where you need to be. As soon as email log files appears in the results, go ahead and click on it. Consider this your gateway to accessing detailed logs of your sent and received emails. Next, it's time to request an email log. This function is invaluable for retrieving records of past communications, especially crucial for auditing or tracking purposes. You'll be prompted to select a starting date and time for the email log you wish to request. Ensure the starting point you choose accurately reflects the time frame you're interested in reviewing. Precision is key here. After setting your start time, enter the corresponding valid time. This ensures that the logs you receive are accurate and encompass the correct duration. Following this, you'll specify an end date and time. Just like with the starting point, make sure these details reflect the closure of the period you want logged. Now you're almost ready, but there's a bit more fine-tuning involved. The option Include Only Emails that are addressed to or from is where you can specify particular email addresses if you're focusing on specific correspondences. Input any relevant addresses to narrow the search to pertinent emails. If you need, the Mail Event functionality allows you to filter your search even further based on the type of email events you want to track. Choose if necessary, according to the details that matter most to you. Another decision point will be the email direction. This pertains to whether you're interested in incoming, outgoing, or both types of emails. Select the directions that best align with your objectives. Lastly, focus on the notification recipients. Here, you can enter the email addresses of those who should be notified once the logs are ready. Ensuring the right people are informed is important for seamless collaboration. And finally, when everything is prepared and looking good, go ahead and hit Submit Request. This process, while it has multiple steps, is straightforward and designed to be user-friendly. With all these steps completed, you've successfully set up a request for email logs on the platform. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.